really like emotional because people don't understand. Like,
What don't people understand?
Stop.
What don't they
Just tell me.
understand?
Okay, go. Keep going.
because you guys are mean. No, because you're like, oh, you like, no, I'm freaking Mexican, but I been on the sun too much. And I was white when I was little, but now I'm fucking. Oh, bitch, now you're
Wait,
black.
so what were you
Wait,
saying? What were you saying about a big heart?
you have a what?
What were you saying about a big heart?
That I have a big heart. I love everyone.
Then why do you always act? Why do you always act high?
Bitch, you saw me.
I don't do drugs. It's just like sometimes. No, sometimes it's because I'm sleeping. And it's because I'm
Bitch,
far away
that's all
from
the time, man.
You're far away from what?
home. And
You guys are so mean. Let her talk.
Wait, continue.
You guys make fun of her way
She has
too
a big
much.
dick and a big heart.
You have a big dick? Yeah.
What else do you have?
She smiled.
We love you too.
Deuces.
We love you.
Wait, why are you leaving us? I thought you were telling us your story.
because you guys are laughing, and I'm like,
No.
We won't laugh. We
Okay,
won't laugh.
okay,
Tell us
yeah.
we're serious.
okay, look. You guys are, I don't know. I just want to sleep.
They're gonna sleep. Don't stop me.
Yeah, you mean.
Mina!